Never do these things for a woman, must watch. Hey there, it's Anna. Today we're diving into a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of dating and relationships. Things that you should never do for a woman, even with the best intentions. Sometimes what we think is helpful or romantic can actually backfire, affecting the dynamics of your relationship with someone. So, I'm here to guide you through these common pitfalls, helping you understand why they might not be as beneficial as they seem. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear perspective on maintaining a healthy balance in your future relationships. Also, make sure you stick around until the very end of the video because I have a special bonus tip that ties everything together and adds a new dimension to what we've discussed. It's a piece of advice that you won't want to miss. So now let's get started. Giving her too many gifts. Let's talk about gifts because they're great, but there is a limit. Giving too many can sometimes send the wrong message. Now, why is this? Well, let's take a closer look. Gifts are a lovely way to show someone that you care. However, showering her with too many gifts can seem like you're trying to buy her affection, and it might make her feel like you're not interested in a genuine connection, but rather in creating a sense of obligation or debt. It's important to remember that affection and respect cannot be bought. So instead of overwhelming her with gifts, focus on building a strong mutual bond based on understanding and shared experiences. This approach is much more meaningful and shows that you value her for who she is, not for how she responds to your gifts. Excessive gifting can create discomfort and pressure rather than joy. It could imply that the relationship is transactional, which is not a healthy foundation for genuine connection. A balanced approach to giving shows thoughtfulness and consideration without overwhelming the other person or creating unintended implications. Being a yes man. Moving on to our second point, let's discuss the issue of always being a yes man. It might seem like the best way to please someone, but it has its drawbacks. So let's find out why constantly saying yes, especially when you disagree, isn't the best approach. Agreeing with everything she says or wants, even if it goes against your own opinions or feelings, can lead to problems. It might make you appear spineless or lacking in your own convictions. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect and honesty, not just agreement. It's important to have your own opinions and to be able to express them respectfully. Disagreement, when handled well, can actually strengthen a relationship by showing that both parties can express themselves and respect each other's viewpoints. Remember, being honest and true to yourself is more attractive than just being agreeable all of the time. Being a yes man can undermine your self-respect to make the relationship one-sided, so it's essential to show that you have your own thoughts and beliefs, and this balance is key to a healthy and dynamic relationship where both partners are valued for their individuality and their ability to communicate openly. Changing yourself completely. Now let's explore our third crucial point, the issue of changing yourself completely for someone. It's natural to want to impress, but completely altering who you are, that's a different story. So let's understand why this approach can do more harm than good. Adapting your personality or interests just to align with hers can come across as disingenuous. It suggests that you're not confident in who you are and that you believe you need to be someone else to be accepted. A healthy relationship involves two individuals who appreciate each other for their true selves. It's perfectly fine to explore new interests together, but losing your own identity in the process is not advisable. Embrace who you are and share your genuine interests. This authenticity is far more attractive as it shows self-confidence and honesty, key pillars of a strong and respectful relationship. Completely changing yourself can lead to unhappiness and a lack of fulfillment. So it's important to be loved and appreciated for who you truly are, not for an artificial persona that you've created. Genuine connections, well, they're built on authenticity and mutual respect for each other's individuality and unique abilities. Now, I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you could show us some love, a quick like, a comment, or even a subscribe really helps out. Now, it's not just about growing the channel, it's about connecting with you. Your feedback guides the content, so let me know what you're thinking in the comments. Every like, every comment, every subscribe makes a huge difference. Thanks for being a part of the journey. Being constantly available. For our fourth point, let's talk about constant availability. Now, it's great to be attentive, but is there such a thing as being too available? Yes, there is. Being always at someone's beck and call can send the wrong message. So let's dive into why that's the case. Always being available might seem like you are showing attentiveness and care. However, it can actually give the impression that you don't have your own life or interests. And this might unintentionally make you seem less intriguing or independent. It's healthy for both partners in a relationship to have separate hobbies, friendships, and commitments. This balance shows that you have a full and engaging life, which is actually more attractive. So it's important to be supportive and present in a relationship, but also to maintain your own identity and commitments. This demonstrates self-respect and a well-rounded character. Constant availability can lead to an imbalance in the relationship and might make you seem overly dependent or clingy. A balanced approach where you show interest and availability while also having your own life is more sustainable and attractive. It shows confidence and a healthy approach to personal boundaries. Trying to fix her problems. Moving on to our fifth point, let's tackle the issues of trying to fix her problems. While it's natural to want to help, there's a fine line between assisting and overstepping. Understanding this difference is crucial. So let's see why always trying to fix things isn't always the best approach. It's common to think that solving her problems is a way to show that you care. However, not every situation requires a solution. Sometimes what we might need more is empathy and someone to listen. Jumping straight into problem solving can make her feel like her feelings aren't being acknowledged. So it's important to gauge the situation. Ask if she wants advice or just needs to share her thoughts. This shows that you respect her ability to handle her own issues and that you are there to support her emotionally. Listening and understanding can often be more valuable than offering solutions. Always trying to fix her problems can be frustrating for her and could potentially belittle her feelings or abilities. So it's essential to listen first and only offer help when asked. This approach fosters a supportive environment where she feels understood and valued for her own capabilities and perspectives. Excessive flattery. Our sixth point delves into the realm of compliments and flattery. It's common knowledge that compliments can be pleasant, but what about excessive flattery? There's a fine line here that's important to understand. So let's explore why overdoing compliments might not be as beneficial as you think. Compliments are a wonderful way to show appreciation, but when they become excessive, they can lose their sincerity. It might start to seem like you're trying too hard or being disingenuous. People value genuine praise that's heartfelt and specific. When compliments are overused, they can come across as empty or manipulative. It's more meaningful to offer thoughtful, occasional compliments that truly reflect your feelings. This approach shows that you pay attention to the things that genuinely stand out about her, rather than using compliments as a tool to gain favor or approval. Excessive flattery can make you seem insincere and can undermine the authenticity of your interactions. It's important to strike a balance, be complimentary but also be real. Authentic, well-placed compliments are far more effective and appreciated than a barrage of non-stop praise. A bonus tip: the importance of self-care and personal growth. After covering what not to do, let's end with a valuable bonus tip: the importance of self-care and personal growth. While focusing on a relationship, yeah, it's great, nurturing yourself is equally vital. So let's delve into why personal development and self-care are essential in the context of relationships. Taking care of yourself, both emotionally and physically, is crucial. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good on the inside too. Engaging in activities that promote your mental and emotional well-being, like exercising, pursuing hobbies, or simply taking time to relax, is key. Personal growth also involves learning new things, challenging yourself, and becoming the best version of you. When you invest in your own growth, you bring more to any relationship. You're happier, you're confident, and this positivity radiates. Healthy relationships thrive when both partners are individually fulfilled and growing. Prioritizing self-care and personal growth leads to a healthier you and, in turn, a healthier relationship. It prevents you from losing your identity in the relationship and ensures that you don't rely solely on your partner for happiness or validation. A well-rounded, self-sufficient emotion individual is inherently more attractive and engaging. So now that you know what to never do for a woman, are you ready to dive deeper? Choose your next step. How to tell if she's overwhelmed by her feelings for you, or decode those sexual hints from women that 99% of men miss. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more insights, and thank you for watching.